dry week. Let's make continue bubbles. Cut the bottle. Second, put the socks in the bottle. And now I insert in the bottle and the socks. That's fine, man. Mix up in the water. Mix in the bottle. Dip in the water. Dip in the water. Thank you for watching.